Oh, my friends, I just got done filming the workout you're going to do. Definitely not for beginners, but fantastic for anyone who wants to shred some muscles, stretch everything out, get more mobile, get more flexible, more control, and there's a whole lot of balance poses as well. Are you ready? Click that like button and let's get going. Modify as needed and always use control. Downward facing dog. Stretch it back. Walk the legs a few times. We're going to go for about a full 10 minutes of power yoga insanity with some balance. Loop it. Do as many times as you want. Do it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times a lady. Stretch. Lots of breath. Press those heels down towards the mat. Get that beautiful stretch. Helps be warmed up before you do this. One more time, each side. Stretch it back. Inhale forward to plank position. Elbows in. Keep going forward, lower down. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Knees off the mat. If you prefer, squeeze the glutes. Shoulders back. Really open your chest. Let the breath flow. Something biting me already? All right, tuck the toes back to downward facing dog. Inhale forward again. Exhale down. Cobra or up dog. Hold for an extra breath. Good. Oil those joints. Take it back. Downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right foot forward. Lunge with a twist. Inhale, right arm reaches. Stretch open to the heavens. Hand down. Step back, down dog. Left leg lifts. Left foot forward. Lunge with a twist. Take it back and forth. Right leg, forward, open. Always good form though. Good form. Smooth it out. Have control. Touching the clouds, right? One more time, each side. Open the hip if you like. When you raise that leg and then Shazam. This cap is too low. There we go. Once more, lift, stretch, forward, open. Step back, take that flow, forward, down. Cobra or up dog. Downward facing dog. Take the right leg tall, right foot forward, lunge. Find your focus, lifting up. Feel that power in the legs, shoulders relaxed, palms facing in. Into cactus arms. Adjust that posture. And then step down. Down dog, other side. Back and forth. 3 times each. Stretch that back leg. Cactus. Melting down. Right leg. Move with precision. Up and back. And back. Left leg. Left foot forward. Oh, fix the blouse. You lift up into that. Oh, butterfly. Lift up into that. Lunge. Cactus. We're going to do one more time. One more time each side. Precision, precision, my friends. Stagger those feet. Lots of breath. Down. Oh, yes. Last one. Everything coming together. Every part. Every tendon, every ligament, every breath. All right, step it back. Down dog squat. Bend the knees. Could you get off the mat there? Okay, take it forward. Down. Cobra or up dog, extra breath. Power through the arms, squeeze the glutes. Oh. Downward facing dog. Right leg, right foot forward, lunge. Now, lunge into a leg extension. Take this left leg up, lace the fingers, and extend. Or take the hands under your hamstrings. Release into warrior 3. Now, I don't know about this, but let's see what happens. Soften that standing knee, and then step back to lunge. Cream cheese, isn't it? Down, step back, left leg, left foot forward. Lunge into that marvelous leg extension. Relax, shoulders. And then warrior 3. Practice, practice, practice. Back to lunge. Cactus, melting down, step back. Let's do it one more time each side. Your own speed, smooth it out. Only watch me if I'm not wobbling. If I'm wobbling, look away. And, whoop. Why did I say that? There's 3. And step back. Cleanse the palate with the cactus arms. Once more. Left leg, lift. So much balance. Great for athletics, great for martial arts. Great for Marshall Crenshaw. Look it up. Heard it in a love song. And then ninja moves back. Let me itch my ankle. There we go. How many of you itched your ankle right there? Nice. Step back, lunge, and then vinyasa flow. You can also slither through like this. Open, down, back. Do that again. It's good for what ails you. Back to down dog. Hop or walk forward. Down, half boat. See that? Or full boat. 5 breaths. Target that beautiful core. Oh, I did a bunch of goblet squats earlier. So what? Why is he telling me this? I don't care. One more breath. Now cross the ankles. Step back. Vinyasa. Smooth. Connect everything. Down dog, again, hop forward or walk. Out to sea. You want more? Ooh, I'm winded. Grab the feet or the ankles. We have extended boat. Huge stretch, huge balance, huge core. Huge view. Look at those clouds. Those just may be the Smoky Mountains over there. Smoking. Cross the ankles, vinyasa flow. Open, open, open. Down dog, right leg up. Bend the knee if you like. Warrior, reverse warrior. Pivot that back foot in. Reach this arm up. And then slide that right arm underneath the right leg. We have an airplane warrior coming in for landing. Reverse both arms if you like. Cactus arms. Melting down, other side. Left leg up, open. Forward. Something on my hand. Reverse. God bless you for staying with me. All right, cleared for takeoff, for landing. Here we go, left arm underneath. Something did bite me, yep. We have the airplane warrior. Stretch that back leg. And then double it. Oh. Melt down, vinyasa flow. Pick your flow. Pick how I'm gonna say that. Follow along, it's live. And then back to down dog, hop or jump forward. Lower down, we have half boat or full boat. Can't decide? Back and forth. Oh, there we go. 10 more, or hold. 1, 2, 3. Look at my boat. I don't know why I'm doing it like this. 5. Seems to work though. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're out there. Cross the ankles, and I'm loving every minute of it. Flow. Stretch. Back to down dog. Ooh, yes, right leg up. And right foot forward. Reverse warrior into warrior wrap. Now come down. You can take the forearm here, left arm up, or right arm underneath. Left arm around the back. and open. One of my favorites. You can come in between the warrior and the triangle if you like with that right leg. Reverse, both hands if you like. Melting down. Back, left leg. Let's do that on the other side. Boom. What do we do? Reverse. Every time you exhale, squeeze every drop of breath from the lungs. And let's wrap it. Left arm underneath, right arm around the back. Draw the right shoulder back open the best you can. Whatever movement you see fit, or maybe you'll just be in that pose going, ah! I've seen some interesting variations of this in my almost 20 years of teaching. Gold's Gym, Dr. Phillips, Orlando. Some of the best memories because the classes were so big, 70, 80, 90 people in a class. You'd see all sorts of stuff. All right, reverse. That'll be in my book. My memoirs. Open, open, cactus arms. Vinyasa flow. Younger, 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 and stronger. Down dog. Once again, flow. Bum, 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 bum. Like a Casio keyboard when you push that little percussion thing. Down, downward facing dog. Let's stretch this out. Walk the legs if you like. Slow. How's that feel? Stretch, stretch. We want all that power yoga magic. Sculpting, toning, strengthening, mobility. Oh, beautiful mobility and flexibility. But mobility, the ability to move throughout your day with ease, comfort, confidence. Right foot forward. Little splits here. Forward and back. You can drop your back knee if you like. Lots of good breath. Wouldn't have it any other way, would we? You never say, I want mediocre breathing or awful breathing. All right, step it back. Left foot, stretch. Any cramping? Ooh, yeah, somebody got a cramp over there. Walk it off, walk it off. Walk into those trees over there. Lift into that lunge. Here comes another plane. Step back, down dog. 2 more flows ought to do it. Grass. I was filming today, Coach Vigue. Grass, whole lot of grass. Once more. Squeeze the glutes, stretch the abdominals, open it up. Back to down dog, my friends. Let the knees come down, child's pose, brilliant. Brilliant work. Don't forget, this helped. Click that thumbs up button right down there and the subscribe next to it and the notification bell. Click it, that big bell up there. Helps this video and all my work get out to more and more people. I appreciate it, my friends. God bless you for that. Sway it side to side. And what other 10-minute workouts would you like to see on this channel? Tell me below. And now, the most important part is this. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below, try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.